In this video, I want to introduce you to the most effective ways to sell books. And in the rest of the course, we're going to zero in and I'm going to be walking you through exactly step by step on how to implement those strategies. But in this video, I want to make sure you understand what's the most effective, because you must do only the most effective strategies. So it's actually really important to identify not all the strategies, right? Most people, they want to start with all the strategies, many strategies, but it's actually wrong. First of all, you can't do many strategies well. And second, most of those strategies will not result in sales, which is what you're after anyway. So most people, when they first start out, they ask about Facebook marketing or Facebook ads or Instagram promotion or YouTube promotion, because that's the most apparent thing that everybody knows, social media. But these are what I would call secondary. They may result in a few sales, but that's it. And anyway, once you post on those platforms, unless you're running ads, in 24 hours, nobody sees your post anyway. So then what do? This is kind of a way to run into a dead end. And generally, this is more or less like a failure track in book marketing. These strategies are secondary. It's exactly what not to start with. The focus has to be, as a marketer, on inside Amazon. We got to capture their shoppers because they have millions and millions of shoppers. It's the biggest store in the world. Amazon can outsell the biggest bookstores. You know, a lot of people have a dream. I want to be in Barnes & Noble or some other gigantic bookstore. Why? Amazon is bigger. It's just a matter of getting their shoppers to find your book. So let's talk about the 4 strategies that I want you to focus on that are the most effective, that will help you dominate Amazon. First of all, it's Amazon SEO, meaning people searching on Amazon. SEO, if you're not familiar, stands for search engine optimization. This term is usually referred to Google SEO when people search Google, but Amazon is also a search engine. People search for whatever they need on Amazon. If they're shopping for socks, what are they going to do? They're going to type socks into their Amazon search. The same thing for books. If they want a productivity book, they're going to type productivity or time management. Or if they want a romance novel, they're going to type romance novel into search. So Amazon search is a tremendous first step that you got to master. In this course, we're going to dig really deeply into this. After Amazon SEO, you can run ads, but not Facebook ads, Amazon ads. Amazon has ads. I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to set it up. Amazon ads are extremely effective at selling Amazon product, of course, because people don't have to get off Amazon. They're already used to Amazon. It's already targeting Amazon shoppers. After that, what we're going to focus on this course is making your listing what I would call highly converting. In non-technical terms, what I really just mean is making your listing extremely attractive to potential new buyers so that a high percentage of new buyers actually buy after visiting your product landing page. And once you're getting sales through SEO and ads and you're selling at an effective rate because you have an attractive Amazon listing, then Amazon begins to promote your book with their recommendation algorithm. And their recommendation algorithm is extremely strong and powerful because why? They have millions and millions of other pages, other product listings, other book listings on which potentially they can promote your book. At the moment, they're promoting other popular books, but you can make it so that they start promoting your book on more and more other listings. And of course, through that, you're going to get a lot of sales. That's going to be helping you tap into the vastness of Amazon. Now, a few other strategies that work are what I would say readership and engagement, because Amazon can measure how much people are reading from your book. If they're quitting early, that's a bad signal. And Amazon can tell how much people are reading because they have access to the Kindle data. They can tell on the Kindle how many pages the readers are reading. And if the readers are reading more than the books that your book competes with, then of course that's a quality signal. Amazon will see, oh, this book is more engaging, readers like it, we should recommend it more. So readership and quality and engagement, that's huge. And that actually comes from your writing or how you create your book. It's nothing to do with actual marketing. It's from the product creation. Is the book good? If it's better, truly better, customers will engage with it more. And lastly, categories. Amazon categories are also very important. They're a lot less important than Amazon SEO, and to rank in categories is very similar to how you would rank in Amazon SEO, because you basically just need reviews, engagement, a lot of things like this. We're going to be going over that in the course. So there's a lot of very similar things that you're going to do. And ultimately, if you'll end up ranking well in Amazon SEO, you'll be climbing the categories as well. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. So those are the most effective. After these strategies, the effectiveness of your sales drops tremendously. So these are first priority, most important. But after you accomplish these, then what you want to do is the secondary strategies, which are not necessarily just for the sales themselves, but to boost your Amazon listing, your Amazon SEO, your Amazon reviews, so that those first most important strategies grow. That's the key. So then once you've mostly done the first priority strategies, then you would do the secondary strategies by social media promotion, outreach to new buyers, YouTube marketing, maybe community creation on Facebook, maybe fan building, like creating an email list, writing a blog, or creating a podcast, or a long-term YouTube channel, which you have like regular content you post, all to build an audience, all for the purpose of engaging that audience. And after engaging and having them appreciate what you do, then you can sell your book to them, and that will boost your standing on Amazon. That will influence the Amazon algorithms so that you break through and you rank number one, and you'll do so sustainably, and you'll stay number one in Amazon SEO, in Amazon categories. And then Amazon will start promoting you even more in the recommendation algorithms, and all of these things will reinforce each other, and that's where real money is made on Amazon. That's really how it's done, when all of these things come together like this. And of course, lastly, as a part of your marketing strategy, you can recommend all of your other books at the end of every one of your other books, right? So every book of yours that you write recommends other books. So if you write more than one book, that strategy opens up to you. But regardless of that, you have all these secondary strategies that you already are aware of. Maybe it's just that you weren't aware of what their priority is and what their true purpose was and how to position everything. But now you know how it all will play out. So with the next videos, let's begin discussing how to actually start implementing this.